Hey guys, we're going to do Rachel's secret gluten-free pancakes. Are you ready? Welcome back to the Spice Detective. I am very happy to share a recipe that Rachel, my daughter, came up with. It is a gluten-free pancake. Rachel knows that not everybody can eat gluten, and she wanted to create a special recipe. And Rachel has two secret ingredients that I found to be incredible together. They are the carrots that we pre-cooked and sliced, and sumac. It is citrusy and lemony. I would have never thought about adding sumac to a pancake. Rachel came up with it, we tried it, and I was floored. We have brown rice pancake mix, organic eggs, almond milk, maple syrup, coconut oil for the pan. I also added a pinch of Celtic salt. Now the beauty of this, it's dairy-free. Not only it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free. And we're ready to mix it up for you. Ready, Rach? First thing, let's mix all the ingredients together. Here is your gluten-free pancake mix. Perfect. Now, we need, you want me to break the egg or do you want to break the egg? Me? Okay. I'm going to do 2 eggs. Do you want to pour the almond milk? Just, there you go. Just a little bit, so it's not going to be too runny. Okay, let's do a pinch of salt. A little bit more. Fantastico. Now, would you like to mix it? If it needs more liquid, you add a little more almond milk. And one more thing, I add a little bit of olive oil. Oh, you're doing great. How about a pinch of sumac? That's incredible, Rach. Do you want me to help you a bit? Just to get it smoother? The mixture should not be too thick or too runny. What do you think, Rachel? How's the consistency? Now, what about the carrots? Do you want to add the carrot to the mixture and then leave some for garnishing later? Okay. A few carrots. Want to add a few more for flavor? Very nice. You know, Rachel, this recipe is absolutely genius. So thank you for that. Let's fry them. Ready? All right. We got our skillet. So we use coconut oil. It's organic. It has a very high temperature for burning, so it's better for you to fry in it. And it adds a lot of flavor, of course. And in addition, it keeps it dairy-free as we're not using any butter. I'm going to scoop one with a carrot. I see the carrots, I see the sumac. Make sure the temperature is not too high so it doesn't burn, but cook through. Check your pancakes, and when they're golden brown, flip them to the other side. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Wow. Okay, this is almost ready. Let me get a nice plate for it. Rach, are you ready for garnishing? I wish you were here to smell this. The coconut, the pancake, the smells, the flavors. It's fluffy, and crispy too, which is important. And now Rachel is going to garnish it with the carrots and the sumac, and of course, a little bit of maple syrup. And there you have it, easy breezy lemon squeezy. Rachel, how do you call these pancakes?
Happy, healthy pancakes.
Happy, healthy pancakes. Guys, don't forget to check out the YouTube channel, the blog, more information about sumac and other spices. Thank you so much for watching. That was great. Thank you so much, Rachel. You are my new, most amazing sous chef. Thank you.